My friends, today is 15th December. Today is the birthday of great freedom fighter and first Sarvadhinayak of Tamralipta national government, which was the first national government during British rule. Satish Chandra Samant. My friends, yes, it is the day when Satish Chandra Samant took his birth, and this is the statue of Satish Chandra Samant. And on the occasion of his birthday, this statue is well decorated. Let's see. Right now, I am in Gopalpur of Mohisadal of Purbo Medinipur in West Bengal of India, where freedom fighter Satish Chandra Samant was born on December 15, 1900 years. Today is 15th December. Annually, this day is celebrated as the birthday of Satish Chandra Samant in Purbo Medinipur, Paschim Medinipur and Jhargram. My friends, when Satish Chandra Samant was there, then undivided Medinipur was there. But this time that undivided Medinipur is divided in three districts. These are Purbo Medinipur, Paschim Medinipur and Jhargram. My friends, on his birthday, we have to fly the Indian national flag, and we have used to keep the flowers on his statue. He was the member of parliament for 5 terms, and he was the creator of Haldia, which is now the famous industrial area in India. My friends, flying Indian national flag and Indian tricolor, his birthday is celebrated with care and respect in Purbo Medinipur, Paschim Medinipur and Jhargram districts. My friends, now I stand in front of Museum of Great Freedom Fighter Satish Chandra Samant, and this is the Museum of Satish Chandra Samant, where I shall enter now. Now I am entering in the Museum of Great Freedom Fighter of India, Satish Chandra Samant. My friends, Great Freedom Fighter of India, Satish Chandra Samant is remembered most for his leadership of the national government called Tamralipta Jatiya Sarkar, which was formed in Tamluk in the wake of the Quit India movement. In the face of atrocities unleashed by the British government, the people of Tamluk decided that for the removal of anarchy and to establish peace and order, it is essential to form their own government. Satish Chandra Samant was the automatic choice to lead the government and was virtually enthroned as the Sarvadinayak, dictator of the national government. From the formation of national government on 17th December 1942 till his arrest in June 1943, he oversaw its functioning, ensuring that the administration was discharged in an effective and fair manner. My friends, in post-independence India, Satish Chandra Samant was a member of parliament for almost 3 decades, I mean 5 terms. He also made substantial contribution to the numerous parliamentary committees as member or chairman. My friends, Satish Chandra Samant, he also maintained important activities like cyclone relief work, providing grants to the schools and organization of an armed Vidyut Bahini were undertaken by him. Satish Chandra Samant was also the founder of Haldia Dock, and his contributions for its development have helped Haldia to emerge as one of the most preferred industrial areas of West Bengal. My friends, apart from politics, Satish Chandra Samant was also involved in social work. He worked with people for the improvement of civic health. He also took up activities like cleaning blocked ponds and roads for the prevention of malaria, arranging free medical camps, nursing patients suffering from cholera, providing training to the volunteers, and educating the backward classes. He remained a member of parliament post-independence for about 3 decades. In 1952, Samant was elected to the first Lok Sabha from Tamluk constituency. Later on, in the years of 1957, 1962, 1967 and 1971, he was re-elected from the same constituency to the Lok Sabha. My friends, now I am in Museum of Satish Chandra Samant. Satish Chandra Samant's museum has nothing compared to what a present political leader has these days. In his museum, he has only his garments, few books, and accessories of savings. My friends, I think freedom fighter like him is rare. If such freedom fighter is born in every corner of the world, then no country will be subjugated and every country will develop with own thinking and independent spirit. I think every country will grow and become better to better. My friends, this is the museum of Satish Chandra Samant, and here he has nothing. No thing is valuable. I think everything is common. Common. I think very common, and he has nothing which is extremely valued. Satish Chandra Samant. I think no word is appropriate for him. Great freedom fighter, brave freedom fighter, dedicated freedom fighter and the freedom fighter who was the first Sarvadhinayak of Tamralipta national government and the freedom fighter who was the creator of Holdia and Holdia Dog Complex and the freedom fighter who was the member of parliament for 5 terms. My friends, on this day, I mean today is 15th December. On this day, I pay my respect to great freedom fighter of India, Satish Chandra Samant. My friends, I hope he is well, he is good, and he is better wherever he is and wherever his soul is. My friends, thank you.